Don't you want anybody to see it when you read their message or you read their messages? Then let me show you. So you see the three dots here. You just click on it, then you go to settings. Then here you come to privacy. So you click on it, then here you can see read receipt. Then you turn this off. And so when you turn read receipt off, when you read people's message, they are not going to see it. It will not, the blue tick will not come. It will not show that you have read the message. And when you watch people's status, they are not going to see it. They are not going to see that you've watched their status. Likewise, when they watch yours, you will not see that they've watched yours. If you don't want anybody to see when you watch their status, you are also not going to see it. If you are not going to allow anybody to see when you watch their status, you are also not going to see it when they watch yours. So that is the principle. That's how it works.